5, and today we are going to focus on best of 2021 Hindi movies and series. So, the first one is movies. So, the first movie we have on our list is Carters. This movie focuses on a quite revolutionist man who brought a change in the Indian system of papers. Yes, papers. Lal Bihari, a common man, is declared dead on paper by the government. He tries to prove his existence but faces red tapeism everywhere he goes. So he changes his name to Ted Lal Bihari. That is the entire plot of the movie of how he revolves and gets his success at the end. Yes, he's a band player. He works in a band, in his own band, and he's declared dead when he goes to claim his own land. And that is the whole plot of the movie. It is fun. A Salman Khan film studio. Its plot is very good. Number 2, we have Sher Shah. This movie is based on a really heartbreaking true story of Vikram Batra. He was a very courageous and a strong soldier. Vikram Batra, a young man, dreams of becoming a soldier and falls in love with Dimple. Soon after his training, he climbs the military ranks and contributes to India's victory in the Kargil War. And in the Kargil War, he faces death. He was a very big patriot. He was very patriotic, and he is also known for one of the most biggest and best, not biggest, he is known, he had a very big grave contribution in the Kargil war, and because of him India won the Indo-Pak war of Kargil, or Kargil war. Yes. So number 3, we have Sherni. It is a movie about a forest officer who is trying to capture a man eating tigress in a remote village. She also faces difficulties. It's okay, the plot is also good. It's okay to watch. Starring Vidya Balan. It's okay to watch. And a bit better, yeah. Oh, a bit better than okay. And number 4, we have Mimi. It is a good movie. It is comedy. It might have few inappropriate words and scenes, but that is not scenes. It may have few inappropriate words. It is full of comedy. It is a good movie to watch. It is also a bit emotional movie, and I recommend this. It is good. Number 5, we have Suryavanshi. I couldn't find anything else because in 2021, very few movies were made. Series were made a lot. Suryavanshi is the only one I could find better than the rest of them. It is a movie with a lot of action. I would say a bit too much action. All these three people, you can say, they have their own fabulous drama, imaginary fictionist entry, and that quite makes me like go away from this movie. It is a bit too much action, and that when the hero punches a guard, he dies immediately, or when he throws his glasses in the air, it perfectly fits on his face. Example. So that is all for series. We have one of the best I could find, and it is really the best. Number 1, we have Family Man season 2. It released. It actually has 2 seasons, as said. It released in 2021. It released in June. Yes, it released in June, and it is a very fabulous movie about a spy, Shrikant, a spy, where he basically balances his family and his work a bit quite dangerously. He is almost stuck between telling lies to his wife and children and also pretending to be a newspaper worker. He's pretending to do some other job, but he's actually a world class spy, and the entire India is on the risk of a danger. So it is better you watch it, and it's really good. It has 2 seasons. First season is even better than the second one. The third one is in development. Number 2, we have Gullak season 2. It released in 2021 again. It is a series which is dictated by a piggy bank. Yes, a series which tells the story of a normal middle class family in India, how they face the difficulties or how their life goes, not life, of how the small talks or small tales of the family, which reminds them of their happiness. That is focused mainly. It is comedy. It is a very good comedy. It also has emotion, and it is a one series which I would recommend watching both first and second season. Number 3, here we have Grahan. It is a story of a two star-crossed lovers and a daughter pinning for truth. Grahan delivers an important message about how people are reduced to pawns in the game to wield power, but it falters when it actually tries to sermonize through Amrita's character. It is a game twister movie. At the mid or at the end of the movie, the whole plot, mid of the movie, the plot is twisted and the plot is not completely revealed by the end. At the end of the movie, the plot is completely revealed, and it is based on the 1984 revolts of riots of Bokaro on the something. So it is good, but it may have few inappropriate scenes, words, few inappropriate words, and few killing scenes also, like burning and killing scenes, beating scenes, emotion. It is very emotional movie, and I really loved it personally. Number 4, we have Special OPS 1.5. It has 2 seasons. Number 1 season was Special OPS 1. After the 2001 Parliament attack, a young and idealistic law officer had a theory. In 2003, he had a mystery. This is the story of Himmat Singh, of how he became Himmat. The story of Himmat Singh becoming Himmat. Okay, it is a good movie. It is even better if you watch the first season. It is awfully great. It has a good plot, it has good mysteries, it has good action, it is very emotional. Number 5, we have here Tabar. Tabar season 1. It focuses on a family who's living in a city, but they commit or someone else commits murder and they try to hide it. It is comedy, it is fun, it's emotional, and it also has a bit of suspense. Yes, it has suspense. It may also have few abusive words that works. Every movie or series either has few, one, two, that's okay, that goes on. But it is also a bit fast running movie, and it is good. Only family matters. Person risking his life or trying to do the best to protect his family. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Help us reach the goal of reaching 70 subscribers in 1 month. Yes, in 1 month, we have to reach 70 subscribers by February 1st. We should have 70 subscribers. To please share this video as much as you can, and I'll be ready and awake, trying to make new and better content every day. Not every day, every Saturday or Sunday either. It's not every day. Thank you. If you have any queries, please mail quick5ytb@gmail.com. Don't forget to comment if you like this video, and like this video, share and subscribe. That's all for today. Thank you.